All right, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome.
I got a big box here. It says Amazon Basics on it. And what is inside this box is a 6.5 foot, commonly referred to commercially as a tonneau cover. I don't call it that. This is my third pickup truck I've ever owned, and I've never once called it that. It's a bed cover in common usage, but this is your soft roll up tonneau cover. I was shocked to find out that Amazon Basics actually has one of these. I'm going to get the box out here. We're going to see what's inside, and we're going to try to put this thing on. Out here, he's going to help me a little bit. I'm going to be moving the camera around side to side, try to get the best view. I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing and then try to get this thing on. You can see on the bed rails, I've still got the original, or the edge of the bed, not the bed rails. I've still got the original one that was on here before. It was pretty eat up, so I'm going to take it off and put the new one on. So opening the box, the cover itself actually comes in a black reusable drawstring bag for storage. I won't need that, but some folks might find it useful. The instructions are pretty clear and straightforward. Unlike some bargain furniture or foreign manufacture, they're not written in broken English as I've often found with other items. The first thing it has you do is install a weather strip on the front bulkhead or the wall of the truck bed. This keeps the rolled up cover from sliding around and moving out of place. You have to be careful about the application to get it on there straight. Next, the instructions have you place the cover as it sits on the bed, paying attention to the direction in which it unrolls. You're going to snap the rails into the base of the bed cover on each side with the rails not yet secured to the bed. The rails are going to be secured to the bed by these clamps. These are similar to C-clamps, but you'll need a wrench and a socket to get them tightened down. The instructions explain up front the tools you'll need to do this with. It uses a total of 6 clamps, 3 on each side of the bed. Next step is to get the bed cover unrolled out onto the rails, being mindful of your Velcro on the sides to try to keep it into place. Do not do this on a windy day like I did. You can see my clothes blowing around, there's papers blowing around. It was very challenging. The end of the bed cover has a bar running lengthwise inside of it, and so when you get it to the end of the truck bed, it is supposed to snap down into each side of the bed rails and secure it. Mine didn't do that. So I had to take mine apart just a little bit, and the problem I had is that I put the rails too far apart on the edge of the bed so that the end of the cover couldn't secure inside the snaps. So I just took it apart and readjusted the bed rails, and everything came together. It is raining out here. I had a few obligations to take care of in the house, and I couldn't get out here quick enough to do this, but it looks pretty dry. The bed liner and the nothing right now that's in here is not wet other than just what's blowing in. So there is a rubber seal that goes around, and it feels like that it's split in the middle, so maybe it's supposed to sit on top of the tailgate. I don't think that's the case though, and it looks kind of flimsy. I don't know if it's going to hold up or not. I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to put some cardboard, something that's not waterproof, in here and see if it gets wet. Overall, I'm impressed with what I believe to be a cheap product. The installation took about 45 minutes and would have been a lot less in ideal weather or inside of a garage without filming a video. The cardboard I put in the back stayed dry, and a few days later we got 3 inches of snow and the bed remained protected. I'm pleased with it all the way around. I may do a follow-up video after the summer when it's been exposed to more heat, humidity, and rain. I like the way it looks and functions, and I'd give this product a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by.